What if first grade felt more like an adventure than a stack of worksheets? Creatures in Creation takes your child on a 30-week adventure through the animal kingdom, exploring habitats, discovering how God designed each creature, and building essential skills along the way. The kit comes with 2 curriculum books packed with lessons and activities, a reusable sticker book, a discovery journal, an animal tracking poster, a ruler bookmark, and an adventure bag. Everything you need for a full year of curiosity-driven, hands-on learning is right here. Each week, your child will meet a new animal mascot, like Pearl, the butterfly fish, who introduces the habitat and sets the stage for the week ahead. A discovery question guides the daily lessons, sparking curiosity and giving the lesson focus. Students make connections by circling, coloring, drawing, and completing hands-on activities. There's reading, math practice, sticker activities, and writing all woven into the daily lessons. At the end of each week, your child adds a sticker to their animal tracking poster so they can see just how far they've come. Each unit includes hands-on activities that bring learning to life. Your child might make a simple recipe, build a mini book about what they've learned, or test how wax repels water like a duck's feathers. There are even games built in, like playing Duck, Duck, Goose after studying birds. No piecing things together, no hunting for activities, just open the book and adventure together. After your child learns about a habitat, they get to go see it in real life. There are 6 field trips built into the year, one at the end of each unit. So after Ocean Week, you visit an aquarium. After birds, an aviary. After land animals, the zoo. These field trips help kids make connections between real life and what they're learning on paper. We've included ideas to help you find the right places to visit no matter where you live. Throughout the curriculum, you'll find prompts reminding you to pull out the reusable sticker book. It's perfect for imaginative play before, during, and after a lesson. Your child can build their own scenes using different habitats like the ocean, forest, meadow, barn, and even dirt for insects. It's hours of engaging, screen-free play that actually supports what they're learning. The Discovery Journal gives your child a place to explore on their own. Whenever they spot an animal they're curious about, they can sketch it and record the basics like where it lives, what it eats, and what kind of animal it is. No schedule, no assigned pages, just real curiosity captured. Creatures in Creation isn't just curriculum. It's a full year of wonder, discovery, and real learning your child will actually love. Field trips, hands-on activities, stickers. It's all here and ready when you are. If you're looking for a first grade experience that feels like an adventure instead of just another textbook, this is for you. Get your kit today and start exploring God's incredible creation together.